Most people think using Klarna at Walmart is complicated, or even not possible in some cases. That confusion leads to checkout errors or missed payments. But here's the truth no one tells you. When it works correctly, Klarna can make Walmart shopping easier by letting you split payments instead of paying everything up front. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use Klarna at Walmart in 2026 step by step, how to set it up correctly, and how to avoid the common mistakes that cause payment failures. By the end, you'll know how to shop now and pay later without stress or confusion. Let's start with the basics. Klarna is a buy now, pay later service. It lets you split your purchase into smaller payments over time. But here's where most people get stuck. Walmart does not always support Klarna directly in every checkout method, so you need to understand how to use it correctly depending on your shopping method. Now here's the first step. Open the Klarna app on your phone and make sure your account is fully approved. If you are a new user, you may need to verify your identity and set a spending limit. This limit is what determines how much you can spend at Walmart. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are two main ways Klarna can work with Walmart. The first is through the Klarna app using a one-time virtual card. The second is through browser checkout using the Klarna extension or payment option when available. Let's start with the most common method. Open the Klarna app and search for Walmart in the shopping section. If Klarna offers a Walmart deal or in-app checkout option, tap it. It will generate a virtual card number that works like a temporary debit card. Now open the Walmart app or website. Add your items to the cart like Alex buying groceries, electronics, or home essentials. When you reach checkout, select credit card as your payment method. This is important. Do not select gift card or other options. Now enter the Klarna virtual card details exactly as shown in your app. The system will process it like a normal card, and Klarna will handle the installment payments on the back end. But here's the problem. Many users get declines at checkout. This usually happens because the Klarna card limit is too low, or the Walmart order includes restricted items like certain subscriptions or mixed payment categories. Now let's move to the second method. If you are shopping on a desktop browser, you may see Klarna as a direct payment option at checkout. If available, select it, log into your Klarna account, and confirm the payment plan. This is the simplest method, but it is not always available for every Walmart order. Now here's a key tip most people miss. Always check your Klarna approval amount before shopping. If your Walmart card exceeds your limit, the transaction will fail even if everything else is correct. Adjust your cart or split purchases if needed. Another important point is refunds. If you return an item purchased with Klarna, Walmart processes the refund as usual, and Klarna automatically updates your payment plan. You do not need to manually cancel anything. Now here's where it gets even more useful. Klarna sometimes offers promotional interest-free installments like Pay in 4. If your Walmart purchase qualifies, you can split payments into 4 equal parts without extra fees, as long as you pay on time. To quickly summarize, open Klarna, confirm your spending limit, generate a virtual card, or use checkout integration, enter payment details at Walmart, and complete your order like a normal purchase. And now you know exactly how to use Klarna at Walmart without confusion or failed payments. If this helped you, like the video, comment if you want more Walmart payment guides, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials like this.